lovely MG-TF in it at the minute. Having MOT work, a bit of a clean and tidy, 56,000 miles. Lovely car actually. It gets a cam out towards the front, just as part of like a routine maintenance. New calipers on the back, new discs and pads on the front, battery. It's had a lot of money spent on it. Set of tyres I think, all in the last 12 months. Yeah, it's a really nice car. Interior's just got a little bit of wear. See, bolster there. Pretty good on the whole. Just a small bit of wear there, but very, very minimal. That's all sides all very good. Nice clean dash. Aftermarket stereo and 6-dish changer. All the cubby holes are good for storage. Yeah, nice condition window, black roof, all looking tidy. The rubbers are good as well. A little bit of lacquer peeling on both of the door handles, but very, very, very minor kind of bits really. No rust, very solid underneath. Subframes are a bit surface rust like all of them, but yeah, it's actually really nice condition, isn't it? Passenger seat, very good condition. Loads of tread on them twice. Same thing, matching setup. Just open the boot up and the bonnet. Back to front, these cars. Engines in the rear. Cubby holes at the front. Normal boot storage in here. 6-dish changer. Bonnet release is in the back on these ones. So we go around the front, make sure you got the key, you don't want to look it in the boot, because you can't get out on these ones. It's a good looking car. Pretty new battery, I think just end of last summer, less than a year old. Spares, properly bolted in, nice bit of tread and air in it. Yeah, on the whole, really nice car. Doing a few bits to it before it's full MOT. So we sold with 12 months MOT. A little bit just on the driver's door around the other side. Got 2 sets of keys with it. Just a tiny bit of lacquer. It's a nice easy job to sort out though. All the paintwork's pretty good. Oh, and there's one little bit of customer touched in as well. Just on the driver's door shut. It should look nice and shiny like that, but what he'd done on the side there, and he's just aerosoled in just a tiny bit on that step there. But that is literally the only bit of bodywork he's had. Never had an accident, it's all lovely and straight. Very solid underneath, doesn't need any welding. That hasn't had any, so yeah. Nice MG-TF.